Okay, today we are going to do a line graph. I'm going to come in here for my practice line graph and background color, all of those things just like normal. Those are fine. Going to move to my data points. Graph title. I'm going to do temperature effect on cricket chirps. Let's see, how does the temperature affect how many cricket chirps? My x-axis is going to be the temperatures that I'm changing, and my y label is going to be number of chirps. Okay, no source, just like before. I'm going to have 5 data points. This will be how many ever points you have. This is number of chirps for the chirps. Okay, line with medium, that's fine. Can leave that all the same. So I'm going to set the items to my temperatures. Those will be the items across my x-axis. So this would be, let's say we set it to 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees. And then remember, we need a unit for temperature. So this is degrees. If it's a measurement, Celsius. Okay. 80. And then this is the number of chirps. So I'm going to put 5, 25, 35, 56. Okay. Min value, remember, is always 0. Max value needs to be a little bit over my highest number. So I'm going to go up to 80 to give it a buffer. I'm going to update my data. I'm going to go to the preview. There's my line. Okay. And I am going to go back for a minute to show you, and then I would download it just like we did yesterday. Download. This time, make sure, I know I didn't tell my 6th grade, choose JPEG for your download and download. Okay, and it will pop up to put into your practice in Schoology, okay, into the discussion board just like yesterday. If I wanted to do 2 lines or 3 lines, I can change, I believe, the number of groups. And so now I can have other groups and multiple lines. So just FYI, if you're doing multiple lines, you can do that in the data as well and have a purple line and a green line. So watch, if I do 6, 7, this is like the second group of crickets in a different year or something. Update my data. This should give me hopefully 2 lines, and then I'd have a second line. Okay. And you'd have to give another group. This is chirps in, maybe it's 1999, and this is chirps in 2000 or 3000. Ooh, crickets of the future. Okay, and then update my data, and then each of those data points would be identified here so that you could see. Okay, and then I would upload it to Schoology just like we did yesterday and move on to the assessment.